Hey guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah, and today I am back at Alisha and Ashley's house, and today we're gonna transform their office.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Sharrah's channel. I feel like we've been on here a lot. It's like a co-thing.
I know.
Ashley and Alisha and Sharrah, back at it again.
You guys know we do like shiplap in this space, so we're gonna add another shiplap wall over here. It's gonna look amazing. We're gonna put a really cozy rug, put some bookshelves in the back with some seating, and of course, a few desks. Now, when we're gonna build the shiplap wall, we're gonna do it a little different than last time. If you guys remember, we did their coffee corner before. Tyler and I built that wall, but this time, we are gonna build the wall with the girls. Okay, have you guys ever used power tools before?
No.
Like a nail gun?
I mean, no.
Not really. Like, yeah, but not really.
Okay,
No.
so like we have some experience, but kind of not really.
Yeah.
Oh, well, it'll be an adventure. I'll show you the ropes. Let's get started. You guys, doesn't the wall look so amazing? If you guys are new to my channel, if you're from Ashley or Alisha's channel, leave me a comment below and make sure you subscribe because we love new subscribers. Okay guys, let's get started. One thing I forgot to mention is the girls' current office is actually in their dining room, and their dining room is actually currently in their living room. We're basically playing musical chairs with a few of these rooms. Their current office setup is great. It's a great size. However, it's pretty dark. There are not a lot of windows, and it just really wasn't the best space for a creative office.
So the wall looks amazing. I'm so excited to see the finished product.
I'm pumped.
Like, so excited. I feel like we gave Sharrah a little bit of a challenge though, because we wanted to use our sofa and then also our desks.
Our IKEA desk.
Our IKEA desks, they've been going strong.
We have this really huge, big calendar that me and Alisha loved last year, and I would love if that came back somehow.
Kind of the only, we just want it bright. We want it light and airy.
We want a good, open, positive work environment for us to be able to like sit down and kind of like mentally clock in.
And just
from, like, 9 to 5.
because we really didn't use our last office. So the whole point of the switch was to switch it so we can actually be in there, use it, because it's one of the most lit rooms in the world. Lit. It's about to be lit.
Whereas our last one was really dark. It was a great like workspace. It was just really dark, and so mentally I felt like that put us in like a cloud, like a fog. Yeah.
So
I'm so excited today. I'm bringing all the pretty stuff in. I'm gonna add a bunch of the furniture, make it look super great, and show you guys the final reveal in just a few minutes. Well, hours for me, but minutes for you. And again, if you guys wanna see any of these products, I will have them linked so you get all the info on the blog. Just click the link and check it out. And if you guys are new and you haven't heard about the Live It Journal, you are going to want to hear about it. I will link the video where I talk all about it below, but basically it is an awesome way for you guys to get plugged into a great community about interior design, learn how to utilize the design principles, organizing tips and principles that I teach on my channel, and apply it directly to your own homes, your own wardrobes, your own bathrooms, all the good stuff. and really just feel like you're not just watching my videos, but you're living them, because that's the whole point, right? Right now we are in early access for the Live It journals. If you guys sign up in June, you get 2 journal entries for free, which is awesome. You get the journal entry on how to find your interior design style, how to discover it, and also once you pick your interior design style, you get the journal entry all about that style. It'll help walk you through your own space, how to decorate, how to do a floor plan, all that stuff. Okay, are you guys ready to unbox all of these goodies and get it into their office? Let's get started. So the girls have this beautiful sofa they got from Anthro that they already had in their current office that we're gonna put in the new office. They also have these great simple white desks from IKEA. We're gonna keep those as well. But we are gonna add some new chairs to make it comfy, cozy, and a little bit cuter. We're gonna add a rug and a lot of different accessories. Oh yeah, and we're gonna add some bookshelves. Now, a really big question I get from a lot of you guys is how do I mesh 2 completely different styles into one? Whether you guys are getting married or you have roommates, it's a big struggle because you have 2 different styles, you wanna make it look cohesive. Well, it's really all about compromise. You guys can use different things from both styles and make sure that you kind of have even amounts that you're fusing together. One of the biggest challenges in this space was the light and bright airiness of the space and having a dark sofa. So the way that I tied that all together, we have, as you can see over here, these bookcases are not necessarily glam in and of themselves. They're definitely a little bit more industrial. However, if you guys go through their house, if you look at other videos we've done throughout their space, they have a little bit more natural looking industrial bar stools. If you guys remember their coffee corner, we added a couple different pieces of furniture that have that darker wood texture to it. And then also in the entryway, you know, their floors are dark. So I wanted to make sure this room wasn't too light, and I also wanted to make sure that it represented both Ashley and Alisha. We have, as you can see over here, their dark calendar. That kind of adds a little bit of depth to the space and brings it down a little bit and grounds it. Even in the artwork here that I have of the palm trees over their desk, the palm trees themselves have that darker green, almost dark blue color in the leaves. That adds some depth to the space. And then again, utilizing these darker bookshelves and not doing white bookshelves, but doing something a little bit more industrial, kind of adds a little bit more oomph to the room. You know what I mean? And another thing, if you guys are gonna include a different color, like the blue is a different color than the rest of the colors, tie that in other ways, like boxes or like vases or books or things like that. Make sure that that color is represented somewhere else in the space. That way it kind of makes sense and gives you that cohesive feel. So a couple of main focus points for me. I wanted to make sure that I found ways to include storage in these shelves because it is an office. I also wanted to make sure that I was able to include some personal items of the girls. So we added a couple photos, personal photos, prints, and a couple of their really amazing cameras, older cameras. They have a collection and I wanted to make sure we could include those and show them off. And the last thing, you know me, I love adding books in bookcases. They are bookcases for a reason, and it's a great way to decorate and pretty cost effective. We have 3 different colors going on in this space. We've got some gray, we've got some navy, and we have some blush tones. So I wanted to make sure those were represented in the books. A lot of them have really pretty bindings. The titles aren't that crazy. But some of them, I didn't really love the bindings of them, so I flipped them around and just showed the pages, which is a really good trick if you can't find a book that has the exact right color. You guys can use books to lift, not only just to decorate, but to actually give you an added height. You can also use it to hold things like stones or rocks or sculptures or things like that. But adding height with books really makes the shelf feel finished for some reason. I don't really know why, I just know it works. So try that next time. Now, just so you know, I'm coming out with a video soon that has all of my tips for accessorizing bookshelves. I know that's a big struggle for a lot of you guys, so tune in for that video coming out soon. I'll have a lot more details and tips for you guys. Now, as you guys know, we used this sofa that was in their older office. Love the sofa, love the style. It fit perfectly under this window, which was amazing. And then we added some symmetry by putting 2 identical bookcases that were quite tall because the ceilings in here are really tall. But by adding these bookcases, it just makes this wall feel really finished and complete. I absolutely love these desk chairs. Look how cute. And also I wanted this to be a really motivational space for them that got their creative juices flowing, but also allowed them to be super productive. So I added a few cute little elements to help them do just that. And then this is my favorite part. What mistake? And it's an eraser. It's a paperweight. I don't think you'd actually use this for erasing. I mean, maybe, but honestly, I just thought it was cute. I think this shiplap wall turned out so cute, and I wanted to make sure that we did something kind of special since it was our wow wall. The girls had this awesome calendar in their old office that was actually still last year's calendar halfway through this year, so we made sure to get them an updated one because they got to be on schedule with all of their dates and things. But I do think it was like such a great focal point for the room because this is an office and that is a calendar, and it just makes so much sense. It adds some depth to the space and it's perfectly balanced by these cute little prints. Also, I love that we switched out the light fixture in here. The one that was previously in here was very pretty, but it was definitely very, very, very Hollywood glam, very sparkly, and it really wasn't Alicia's style, and it definitely was not Ashley's, so we wanted to make sure that we found something that fit the house, but also represented both the girls, and I think we totally nailed it. I'm absolutely in love with this really pretty, dainty, fabulous, elegant chandelier. Okay. Are we ready to go get them? Should we go bring them on down and show them their amazing new office? Let's go.
I'm really excited to see what she does with our styles, because this has happened twice now with the coffee corner and with the entryway, where it's like
which we are
a little more, which
plug
we're in.
that video, go watch it, link in the description.
Hail. Yeah, so I'm really excited to see how she brings in Alicia's style and my style again.
Yeah,
for the
really
third
excited.
time.
No, it should be good. And I
like she's gonna nail it because she's figured us out. We've been locked upstairs all day long. They've been working so hard.
I'm so excited to see it. Like, part of me just wants to like peek around the corner right now, but
I've just like listened down the hallway and be like, I wonder what they're doing.
Like, oh, pink? Did I hear pink?
I'm like, no,
was it purple? I don't know.
We're excited.
Are we ready?
I'm not ready.
Are you ready? Let's go see your new office.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Okay, follow me.
Okay.
Da-da, da-da, da-da. Okay, ready? Good, set.
You gonna count us out?
Yes, 3.
No.
2, 1.5, and 1. Go.
Okay.
Do you like them?
Oh my god! I love them.
And you got the chair to look good.
Yeah.
And the lights look so good.
god.
love this.
Do you?
I genuinely, like, I'm being so
Yes!
Look at love this.
Yay!
So good.
So much.
Chloe, we did it! Okay, so here's the thing with the rug. So notice how there's like a darker gray texture or color tone to it?
Yes.
That's what ties in the navy sofa.
Yeah. Okay.
We found a solution because you had a lot of light and a lot of, you know, the bright airiness, and then we had a little bit of a darker texture of a sofa to work with, and I think this rug pulls it all together really well.
I feel like how this wall, which you guys have seen that, but like, oh my god.
And we even implemented like the plant. We put that in a new
greenery.
Yeah, I know. So your plant that you are obsessed with, it's your baby. You take care of this whole thing. We gave it a prettier home. It has a pretty home.
I love that the shelves are dark.
Yes. I wanted to make sure.
With all of Alicia's pink, you know?
Yeah.
You know, you feel it.
I got you back, girl.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Yeah.
And all that you do.
Oh, thank you. Girls, I'm so glad that you love it. Okay, try your desks. Go sit, go sit. So comfy. Okay, so you guys have little planners right next to your keyboards. And you have journals. So I kind of tried to get.
Oh my god.
And you have little, okay, these are gonna help you be so, you have to stick to it, but it'll help you be so productive throughout your day.
I literally just love that like our calendar doesn't say December anymore.
Right?
It's been on December for what, 6 months now?
Seriously.
The bookends.
Okay, high five.
High fives.
All around.
Filled it.
Yeah, Chloe, high five.
Oh, do you love? Yay!
Good girl.
I'm such a proud mom right now. Oh my
That was so good.
It's amazing.
I'm obsessed with
It's literally
this.
50-50 me and Alicia, which is just out of this world. Like, I can't believe how good it turned out. And our blue couch.
I love this. I did not want to get rid of the couch.
It's the center of attention and it makes my heart happy. It's been here for so long, hiding in like a dark corner.
I
Thing.
literally love this so much. I feel like we're gonna be in there every single day.
I think so.
She did the checklist, couch, desk.
And the calendar.
The calendar! Oh my god.
We love our calendar.
I like, oh my god.
Yes.
Perfect.
I am so happy that you love it. This is gonna be like your spot
We don't
where you're
deserve
in
you.
all day.
We're gonna be there every day, getting work
9 to
done.
5.
Seriously, you're gonna be so productive. You have all your little calendars and your notebooks.
And our
notebooks.
notebooks.
Looks so good. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys love this video. We're gonna close it out together because I want you guys to go watch their channels. If you guys have not seen or subscribed to their channels, click the links below and go subscribe. They're awesome if you can't tell. Clearly we like doing decorating projects together.
Clearly.
Fun.
And if you guys are new to Sharrah's channel, do not forget to subscribe as well because
And
who
hit the
knows?
notification bell.
And hit the notification bell.
And thumbs up and comment, yo.
There's like a whole list. You just gotta go down and subscribe.
Ding, ding, ding.
I know. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.